So I'm sitting in my van. I just wanted to show y'all where I have this bin. It's been here forever. But I'm tired of it being here. I have these hooks on the back of my like seats like this, like that one right there. That hook is holding our library book bag, and it's just in here because we've got books that really need to go back to the library. So we're going to do that tomorrow. So I've already got it in here because I have been known to get all the way to the library to take books back and not have them with me. So they're in here early so that I don't forget to bring them in here. But what I'm saying is these hooks, I have two of them, and this bin right here kind of tends to get in the way. And where I'm sitting right here, a seat is folded down, and we leave it down because we only have 3 kids. So 1 here, 2 in the back, and this thing just tends to get in the way. Like, I can't even really explain it. It just gets in the way. So I'm going to free up a lot of that space by taking this bin out, or all of that space really, by taking this bin out, going through all of the stuff that's in there, which is our car schooling bin. And I'm going to put it in a bag like that one and hang it on this hook. And this thing right here is just a trash can that is clipped to the back of the seat. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm going to go through that bin, which is, like I said, is our car schooling bin. And we don't use it a whole lot, but it is very, very convenient to have in here when we need it. There's been days that we didn't get to do schoolwork. We had to leave out of the house really fast and ended up at the park because it just happened that way. And I was able to fit in a little bit of school because we had this bin with us and I could pull from it. And we sat down at a picnic table at the park and done some schoolwork. So, since it's a pretty day outside, I'm going to pull all of this stuff over to my picnic table that is in front of the camper. And I'm going to clean this out, and I'll show you the bag that I'm going to be putting it in. My mom got it for me. I'm not exactly sure where she got it from, but it's super cute. So that's going to be our car schooling bag from now on. So let's hop over there and do that. So this is the bag that I'm going to use. It just says the influence of a good teacher can never be erased. My mom got me this. Thank you, Mom. And it's got striped like handles on it. Like I said, I'm not exactly sure where she got it from. There's no, as far as I'm seeing, no like zippered pouch in the inside, but there is one on the outside. And then let's see, on the back, it's just plain. She actually she said she was shopping for something else, and she just saw this and thought that I would like it, and I do. And she didn't even know that I had already been planning on redoing this spot in our van and like actually getting a bag and making a different car schooling setup. So now I'm going to continue to go through this. I got rid of a lot of stuff that was in there that was old. That's from 1st grade. We don't need that anymore. I also found their travel books that I made. It says Noah spelling, but it's not spelling. But it's got like some bingo type things, marking off the restaurants as you see them. This is just like for like when we go on vacation and stuff. These just were in here. This is in a sheet protector, so it could be wrote on with a dry erase marker. This page is blank on front and back, and then there's some blank like computer paper in here, and then this says quotes. It's just, I didn't take the sticker off, but it's like a little pouch that they can keep like stickers and things in. And then I've got like some actual worksheets in here that they could kind of switch out and flip around and do those. And then of course these have pockets in them. So I'm probably going to set these up again, probably keep some fun stuff in them. I need to wipe them off. They've been in the van, so they're dirty now. But I'm gonna set them up again and like update them and all that good stuff. Anaya's actually looks like it has a little bit different things in it. Yep, hers has some lined paper, a map, the same thing as Noah's that I just showed you, a little maze, some blank paper for drawing and things like that, a blank dry erase page, and then a folder as well. So I'm gonna redo those, go through all of this. I probably won't keep this math book. It probably came from like a thrift store, or maybe my mother-in-law gave it to me, I don't know, but it's little, it's not outdated, but it's like there, well, we could practice some money and things. Anyway, I don't know what I'll pull out of here. I may pull some stuff out of here, I may not. And then I have some bingo cards. I'm thinking about keeping those. This pouch has all of our pencils and things in it. I need to go through that and just keep the necessities. And then these never bored cards from Usborne, we will definitely be keeping in the car. These are wipe clean cards, and those are perfect for in the car. And then I will also keep our set of wipe clean Usborne books, telling time, adding, subtraction, grammar, and punctuation. I will keep all of this in here for sure. Also, I have this little wipes case, and I know my kids are bigger, but we still always need wipes for something. Somebody's hands always get sticky, faces get messy, whatever. So this is empty. The ones that were in here got dried out because we haven't used them in a while, but I have went to grab them and they were dry, so I need to replenish them. All right, excuse the noise in the background. I am sitting outside, but I went ahead and cleaned this out and got all of our pens and color pencils. I took the crayons out because this stays in the van, and they just got really soft kind of, and I don't want them to completely melt this summer. This is back in here. I haven't put wipes in it yet, but I will, so I'm just going to slide that back in there. So that's what we're going to keep in the first pocket, is the wipes, and then our like writing utensils, scissors, things like that. And then like I said, I'm going to put this whole pack. There's about five different ones, and we're just going to keep these in the car as well. Our never get bored cards. I kept 2 notebooks because I can write math problems. I can write anything down and kind of make my own worksheets, quote unquote, myself if I need to. And then I'm going to throw these back in there and leave them the way that they are, and I'm going to look for some more pages to go in them. But this is everything that's going to go back into our bag.